Yes, sir.
Okay, you have already designed this navigation bar app, right? This navigation bar app. On navigation header, we have a image, email, image, and name, right?
Yes.
Now you can do one thing. This is your assignments. If I tap on that image, if and that circle, so open our camera or gallery, okay, and take picture and set that picture on that position on that widget, okay, circle avatar widget. We can
Yes, sir.
in circle avatar we can create our child widget. In that child widget we can write our image.file widget, right?
Yes.
You can or not.
Yes, Roshan, we can.
Simply open camera or gallery and set that image on that place, okay. So we have learned now how to use camera in Flutter.
Roshan, means like now you had it in emulator, right? So when you open that open gallery, it will go to that emulator gallery.
Yes,
What will be in my case when I'm open in my mobile?
your mobile gallery.
Even it will go to my personal gallery.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And this is your real camera in your
Okay.
mobile phone,
Okay.
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 So now what is our next application? Which application? We have created a number counter app, currency converter app, right? Calculator app, dice roller app, camera app, then
Sign up, login.
sign up login page, then navigation app, right?
Yes. And this camera
Then
camera app.
camera app. So we have approx 7 to 8 app, right?
Yes, Roshan.
So should I move on API part, network part, and database part, or spend more time on this static app?
Do you have any other apps in this static, Roshan,
Yes,
which is
we can
important
create
apart from this?
any app. So let me think. Okay, create a new application that is your drum pad application. Okay, means
Okay.
sounds app.
Okay. Music.
Yeah, music player basically.
Okay.
So create this Flutter new application project and that basically drum pad. No, 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 no. After training and drum pad. So so in this app, like in this app, we have a button. We have two button in row. Okay. If I tap on this button, simply play a sound. Okay. If I tap on this button, simply what we will do, play a music. Clear? What we will gonna build? Dibya, Harish.
Yeah, Roshan.
We will create our drum pad application. If user tap on this button, simply play a music or play a sound. Okay. Can you see my screen? VS Code. For that, not in this application. This is a not this. This. So for playing music or sound, we will use our audio player package. Audio player package Flutter. Okay. We'll use audio player package for playing sound, playing music in Flutter application. Okay, like we can play any sounds using this package, a Flutter plugin to play multiple audio file. Okay, we can play our asset file, we can play file from remote, or we can play file from our file explorer. Clear? Where is Dibya? Okay,
Yeah,
Dibya,
Roshan, sorry, I
clear?
just joined my. Yeah, I just joined now only. Actually, my
Okay,
session got.
for this music player, we
Okay.
will use audio player package. With the help of
Okay.
audio player, we can play
Mhm.
our local music like from file explorer. We can play our asset file, asset music file, or you can play a file from network from the help of URL, remote URL. Okay. So what is our first step? First, we have to add our audio player dependency in pubspec.yml file, right?
Okay.
We have to write our dependency, then flutter pub get. So with the help of this package, you can play any music in your Flutter application. You can create complete music player with the help of this package. Okay. So in today class, we will create a drum pad application. In that, we have a 9 music file or 8 music file. So we will store all the music file in asset folder. Then with the help of this audio player package, we will play that music file with the help of this package from asset. You can play that music from URL or from your file explorer. Clear?
Okay.
Or you can do one thing. You will create a Spanish number sound app. Okay? Spanish sound app. Okay? If I click on one, then play a sound of Spanish one in a Spanish language. Okay? If I click on two, then we'll play our two sounds in Spanish language. I will share all the 10 music file. Okay? So let's download any music file. Play any here. Do you have any sounds music file in your system? Dibya?
No, Roshan.
Okay, so download one. So any website for downloading music file?
Roshan, have you stopped the sharing the screen because I'm not able to see? Is it only for me or for everyone?
Aswani? Aswani? Wait, Dibya. We'll call Aswani for.
Okay, Roshan.